Welcome to Echoes of Nature. Today, we're introducing you to the kakapo, a nocturnal, flightless parrot from New Zealand. With its peculiar behaviors and impressive survival instincts, the kakapo is one of nature's most fascinating creatures. Let's explore 5 amazing facts about this one-of-a-kind bird. At number 1, a flightless parrot. The kakapo is one of the world's few flightless parrots. Despite having strong wings, it's unable to fly, instead relying on its ability to climb and walk long distances. At number 2, nocturnal nature. Unlike most parrots, the kakapo is active at night. It uses its excellent sense of smell and hearing to navigate the dark forests of New Zealand. At number 3, critically endangered. With only around 250 kakapos left in the wild, this bird is critically endangered. Conservation efforts are underway to protect and increase their population. At number 4, unique mating ritual. The kakapo's mating call is a booming sound that can be heard over long distances. Males create large sites where they display their calls to attract females. At number 5, mossy green plumage. The kakapo is known for its mossy green feathers, which help it blend in with the forest floor, providing camouflage from predators. The kakapo is a true testament to the importance of conservation. With its unique features and endearing personality, it's a bird worth saving. If you enjoyed learning about the kakapo, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Echoes of Nature. Let us know in the comments which animal you'd like us to uncover next.